In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cast Spotify on TV. So this one is actually relatively easy. You need to make sure to install your actual Spotify on your TV and then onto your other device that you want to cast. It can be your phone or your browser. Now, in order to use Spotify on TV, make sure to install and open the Spotify app. Then log in as usual by using your email address and password, or you can also log in through social connections. Now, open your Spotify app on your phone or tablet and find your device using the Spotify Connect. It's usually the one that looks like the airdrop icon. Now, select Login with PIN, or you can also go to this www.spotify.com/pair and enter the PIN that you want or you see on your screen. So after that, you can actually just use your phone as a remote and your TV will play the music right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.